Hi guys, welcome. So I'm going to start off with my lips. Make sure that it's all moist and nice. Then I'm going to go into this hydrofacial serum, and it have hyaluronic acid in it. And I got this when I did my facial the other day because, you know, she knows that my skin is very dry and she recommended this to me. Then I'm going to go in with this BioCell rejuvenating cream. Both of them is together and it's very expensive, but I think it's worth it because I've been using it for 3 weeks now, and let me tell you something, it made my skin feel so moist, so nice. I don't have no dry, choppy, flaky skin anymore since I've been using this. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my eyebrow. And what I started doing is that I put powder. This one is a Patrick Star powder. And I set my eyebrow with that because you guys see that my skin is very shiny and moist right now. And I just want to put this on just so that my eyebrow could look much better when I fill it in. Then you guys already know the deal. This is the NW45 from MAC, and this is a concealer. I love it so much. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to conceal and just clean up my eyebrow and go ahead and bring it all the way down to my eyelid. I'm going to use a brush and just blend it in. Then I'm going to go back into the Patrick Star powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the concealer. And right now, this is the only palette I will be using in this tutorial, and this is from Juvia's Place palette. This one is called the Masquerade. I love it so much. And I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Zula, and I'm going to focus it right on the outer corner first, and then I'm going to blend it in. Then I'm going to go in with Ada, and I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to only put it right into the crease. And I'm going to take it also into the inner corner and the outer corner because I want to do a halo look. And I'm only going to put it right there, and I'm going to leave the center bared. Then I'm going to use my concealer, and I'm only going to put it right into the center. And before I put that color, I'm going to spray my brush with the Fix Plus spray. Then I'm going to go in with syrum, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to leave everything in the description box and also on the screen. And I'm going to take it right into the I'm going to take it only into the center, and I'm going to tap it in. I'm not swiping it or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and tap it in. Then I'm going to go back into Ada, and I'm only going to blend out the edges. After that, I'm gonna go in with my winged eyeliner, and I got this from the beauty supply store, And I'm only going to line my lash line and also going to put a little bit of wing, not a lot, not too dramatic, just a little natural wing. Then I'm going to use my Bad Gal mascara. I love this mascara so much. And afterwards, I'm going to put my lashes on off camera. Now I'm going to go in with this MAC Sorb Cream Hydro Illuminator. And I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. I'm in the shade D78 Neutral. And I'm going to blend both of them together because I just want my face to be a little illuminating, a little glowy. Because you know that day I was going out with my boo and all of that stuff. So I'm going to blend both of them together and then I'm going to put it onto my face. Now I'm going to take this Kat Von D Lock It Foundation and I picked up the shade D35 Neutral and I'm going to conceal wherever I need to be concealed, which is the under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and all of that good stuff. Then right after, I'm going to go in with my Patrick Star again. And I'm going to go ahead and set a concealer because I don't want my under my eyes to be creasy at all. So I'm not baking. I'm only going to set it. Then I'm going to take my City Color Contour Effects and I just want a simple natural contour. So I'm only going to contour wherever it needs to be contour. My chin, my nose, and you know, all of that good stuff. Then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix foundation. No, sorry, is it foundation? The MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. I'm in the shade NW45, and I'm just going to set my face and brush off the excess powder that is under my eyes. Then I'm going to go into my Alexis Run with Colourpop, and let me tell you something. I love this so much. I'm going to go ahead and glow my face up, and this melts right into my skin, as you guys can see. This reminds me of my what is it called from MAC? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna glow my face up. Then I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know guys, I'm not a blush person, but I just want to be blushy today. I don't know why, but I just feel like I want to put on blush. And this is a blush trio cocktail party, and I'm just going to go ahead and just, you know, put a little color on my face. Then afterwards, I'm going to go in with my Revolution Fix Illuminating Spray, and I'm going to drench my skin. Then afterwards, I'm going to go into this Patrick Star. This one is called Brick, and I love it so much. Then afterwards, I'm going to go into my Fenty Stunna Lip Paint. I love this so much. Oh my God, I am obsessed. I am so obsessed with this. So afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the edges with my concealer. And pretty much that's it, guys. I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Leave a comment, share, and like. And I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.